In this lecture, we are going to talk about the so-called ternary operator. So this is what we have been talking about in a theoretical section, that the ternary operator syntax is something like this. If the test condition is true, then the result is going to be the value 1. Otherwise, so if the test condition is false, then the result is going to be the value 2. So for example, if we define two variables, integer a with value 10 and integer b with value 20, we can say that the smaller value is going to be the a smaller than b. This is the test condition. So we test whether a is smaller than b or not. If it is true, then a is going to be the result, otherwise b is going to be the result. So if we print out the smaller value, okay, something like this, we save it and we run it, then the smaller value is going to be the solution. Okay, of course, if a is 100, then b is going to be the result. So with the help of this ternary operator, we can check a given condition, a smaller than b, and if it is true, then this value is going to be stored in the smaller value variable. Otherwise, the b value is going to be stored here. So this is what we are going to print out. So this is how we can use a ternary operator. Of course, we can use ternary operator with any types. So for example, if I have a string name is equals to Adam, then we can check whether if the name is equals to Adam, then the result is going to be the name is Adam. Otherwise, the result is going to be the name is not Adam. And of course, we have to use a string. It's going to be the result. So something like this, and here we print out the value of the result. So again, we can use ternary operator on strings as well. This is the test condition. We test whether the name is equals to Adam or not, which means that it is going to yield a Boolean value. If it is true, then this is going to be the result. Otherwise, this is going to be the result. So if we save and run it, the name is Adam. If the name is Joe, then the result is going to be the name is not Adam. Okay, by the way, we can use several ternary operators in the same line. So for example, we have the a variable with value 100. We can print out to the console that if the a value is equals to 0, then we print out 0. Otherwise, we use another ternary operator. So just to make sure it is valid, we use something like this. So otherwise, we check whether the a value is smaller than 0. If it is true, then we print out negative number, and otherwise we print out positive number. So it is going to work fine. Let's run it. It is a positive number. If we use with minus 100, it's going to be a negative number. And if we use 0 as the value of the a variable, it's going to be 0. Of course, it is working fine, so this example is appropriate, but keep in mind that we do not use too long and too complex chained ternary statements, because code readability is more important. So as a programmer or software engineer, do not use something like this. It is working fine. We are able to chain ternary operators, but it is not a good programming practice because it is not straightforward what's happening under the hood. So this is how we use ternary operators. Thanks for watching.